Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. This thing. It's the Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit from DJI. Again, we're going to unbox the Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit. It's part number 13 from DJI. Now, it comes in a nice little box here. What's in it is the pinwheel attachment, the GoPro attachment, and the Wi-Fi Bluetooth attachment. So, let's see if we can open this thing up. Has some tape on the back here. There we go. Now what we have, all three are in there, which is a good thing since I paid for it. You have the, again, on the top, the Wi-Fi Bluetooth attachment. You have the GoPro attachment. And you have the gimbal wheel attachment. Now on the Wi-Fi Bluetooth attachment, you see on the back you have kind of an extension. You have an expansion port, or in other words, a USB-C port, which you can use for charging. You have, of course, the USB-C that you plug into the bottom of the Osmo Pocket that you push onto there. And of course you have a light that would say, you know, if you're attached to the Osmo Pocket. And then of course, when you're actually attached to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. In addition to that, we have the GoPro attachment. Now the GoPro attachment, of course, will be able to hook onto any of your GoPro, excuse me, your GoPro accessories. This opens up somewhere. There it is. It opens up on the side. You put your Osmo Pocket in there, close it up, snap it together, and it holds it nice and tight. And the last thing, you have the wheel. Now on the wheel, of course, you have the wheel itself. You have a little button on the bottom that you would switch back and forth so that you can control the gimbal up and down this way or back and forth this way. Those are the technical terms. And of course, you have a couple buttons that will do a couple additional functions, which we'll go over at a later time. And of course, on the back side, you have the connections for the expansion slot. Now, on the side here, you will see a tab. Pull the tab, and boom. You will see this little card kind of thing. You open that up, and that is where you have the directions for the controller wheel, the directions for the wireless module, which is the Wi-Fi Bluetooth attachment, and you have for the accessory mount. Why you'd have directions for that, I'm not sure, but you got one. And with the package that I got, it came with a 32 gig micro USB, that's all right. A micro SD card that you can put into the Osmo Pocket or your phone. Now I already got a nice size card in the Osmo Pocket, so I might swap this out for my phone because I think I have a smaller one on my phone, so we'll see. And that's what came with the Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit from DJI. Now stay tuned, because we're going to take each one of those pieces, we're going to put it through its paces, we're going to review it, and let you see if it's actually worth it. So until then, please subscribe, comment, and share. And don't forget to hit that like button. Now, if you didn't like what you saw, hit the dislike button twice. And as always, have a great day.